In this video, I will express transmission or ABCD parameters in terms of hybrid parameters or H parameters. So we are supposed to convert or express ABCD parameters in terms of H parameters. So first let me write the ABCD parameter equations. The equations of ABCD parameters are given by V1 is equal to AV2 plus B minus I2 and I1 is equal to CV2 plus D minus I2. These are the equations of ABCD parameters. Now let me call this as equation 1, this as equation 2. Similarly, let me write hybrid parameter equation. Similarly, the equations of H parameters are given by, we have V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. Similarly, I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Now let me call this as equation 3, this as equation 4. So now we are trying to express ABCD parameters in terms of H parameters. So we are supposed to keep ABCD parameter equations, that is equation 1 and 2 as it is, and we have to operate on H parameters. Now I will try to rewrite equation number 4 and I will try to bring this in the form of equation number 2. Now let me rewrite equation number 4 as, that is equation 4 can be rewritten as, so here I will write it as I2 minus H2V2 is equal to H21 I1. That is H21 I1 is nothing but, that is H21 I1 is equal to, so this will be I2 minus H22 V2. I2 minus H22 V2, or I can write it as I1 is equal to 1 upon H21 I2 minus H22 divided by H21 V2, or I can write it as I1 is equal to minus H22 divided by H21 V1 plus, write it as 1 over H21 I2. So now here we can see that in equation 2 it is I1 is equal to CV2. So here I1 is equal to some constant into V2. Then we have D into minus I2. Here we have I2 term but it is plus. So I will try to express this as minus I2. So I can rewrite it as I1 is equal to H22 by H21 V2, that is minus I will write it as H21 minus I2. So it is same as minus will be plus, it will be same as this one. I will call it as equation number 5. Now I will compare equation 5 with equation 2. Now compare equation 5 with equation 2. So here we have I1 is equal to CV2. Here we have I1 is equal to minus some constant into V2. So this term is nothing but C. Therefore I can write C is nothing but the first term, that is minus H22 divided by H21. Similarly here we have D minus I2. So coefficient of minus I2 is D. Here coefficient of minus I2 is minus 1 upon H21. Therefore T is equal to minus 1 over H21. So thus we have expressed C and D in terms of H. Similarly, we'll try to express A and B in terms of H. And this is D. So now here, if we compare equation 1 and 3, here we can see that there is a variable V2. Here also we have variable V2. Here the variable is I2, but here we have variable I1. We should try to replace this I1 so that we should get the variable I2. Now let me substitute equation 5, which is nothing but I1 in equation 3. That is, substitute I1 value from equation 5 in equation 3. That is, we have equation 3, that is V1 is equal to H11 I1, that is V1 is equal to H11. So we have I1 is nothing but minus H22 by H21 minus H22 by H21 V2 minus we have 1 by H21, or this one, both are same, 1 by H21 minus I2, and here we have plus H12 V2, that is plus H12 V2. So now let me simplify this. I can write it as V1 is equal to, so this will be H11 H22 divided by H21, it is minus V2, then we have plus H11 divided by H21 I2, plus we have H12 V2, or I can rewrite it as V1 is equal to, here we have V2 coefficient, here we have V2 coefficient. I can take V2 common here, that is V2, we have H12 minus H11 H22 divided by H21, plus we have H11 by H21 I2. So this is nothing but V1 is equal to V2, we have, by taking H21 as LCM, it is H21 H12 minus H11 H22, plus here we have H11 by H21 I2. Let me call it as equation number 6. So now we should compare equation 6 with equation 1. So now compare equation 6 with equation we have 1. So there, so this term is nothing but A. So I can write A is equal to H21 H12, that is H21 H12, we have minus H11 H22 divided by H21 H21. Similarly, in equation 1, coefficient of minus I2 is B. So here there is no minus, so if I consider it as minus, this will also be minus. So coefficient of minus I2 will be minus of H11 by H21, that is nothing but B. Therefore B is equal to minus of H11 by H21, H11 by H21. So this is A and this is B. So therefore I can write all expressing ABCD parameters in H parameters as A is equal to, we have H12 H21 minus H11 H22 divided by H21. We have B is equal to minus H11 by H21. We have C is equal to minus H22 by minus H21, H21, and finally D is equal to, we have minus 1 upon H21, minus 1 upon H21. Thus we have expressed ABCD parameters in terms of H parameters. Thank you for